Hey guys, Jin here again. So second week in Australia now. Just thought I wanted to do a video focus on the Australian dollar, the Aussie US currency pair. So what we've seen now is the Aussie US currently sitting at about 6840 from the last I checked, with more downside likely. They recently cut interest rates. The previous time they met, they cut interest rates, which brought the Aussie dollar lower. I don't anticipate that there might be further cuts this year, although it's not likely. It could still happen, but I don't anticipate that there'll be much cuts this year. But I don't think there's going to be a lot more downside in the Aussie dollar. So I'll be careful if I was selling the Aussie dollar lower. Alright, so historically we've always seen it bounce quite strongly at 6800 level. It will bounce at that level, it will go straight back up. In this case, there's no real fundamental reasons why it would bounce yet, apart from a US FOMC news coming up that could disrupt the flow of how the Aussie dollar is going down. So what could cause the Aussie dollar to bounce back up? Possibly cut in the US. Oh, my son just hit me. A cut in the US interest rates, or a signal that the interest rates might be, US interest rate might be cutting. Okay, so we could see the Aussie dollar bouncing off 6800, right? Bouncing off 6800, not so much because of what's happening in Australia, but more like what's happening in the US dollar. What's happening in the US dollar, where we could see a potential US dollar interest rates cut, or a signal for further cuts in the US dollar interest rates. Okay, so be careful if you're selling Aussie dollar. I don't think it's going to go down a lot more. It's probably going to go from 6840 now to 6800 at the lowest, and then back up again. So that's my son there. Right, so that's the end of the video, and I'll catch up with you guys when I'm back in Singapore. Bye.